Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso.
Ghana muntie na Fedi Krom aye de ye de dwumadi foforo abebom abo friend Fufuo Wo Krom a tokru biara Ghana aduan pashen ye be kire wachi kwan amwako pebi na ne dwumadi kuran ene your one and only IBK the food marshal nana kwabna bedi akon entwida akon oprekese jana di ofiti kroti ana ne ho eje fibinin IBK the food marshal odunkuto no okura international location system code a ye de hwehwe aduan achi kwan na useden oni food marshal nana kwabna bedi akon entwi da akodwumadi a wo friend Fufuo Wo Krom enanto na obehu say you nuampa akohye tokrum Fufuo Wo Krom you aha na eboso de ne
Granny bidi ya o singo mi pakpa agranti ya na sadowa ubi sumuna
Welcome back to another edition of Fufuo Wo Krom. What you say? The channel say because of Fufuo Wo Krom no waje so ehe and a bosso. Nana, me do baby a bosso. Ya wo aya hacho rabbit just behind the Malcolm. Ahaya Auntie Gladys Fufu joint. Minua ye jaho. And only a friend ADBY. Edia Bang also give them to them for per mom. And also put attention the gift is a quadriqua. Just say for 3 tour, for chopsticks tour, not for focus tour, not for who said it, not shit in quine. I said the new man making hey. The idea the bio Etina Emma all was here. And yours truly work for one, aka I to the B to the K, the only food marshal in the whole wide world. Me and I'm here Dosia, Yaji too. I'm up for Dumachi. I'm going to check what is inside the wagon. Yanko, what you here? Yours truly work for one. I to the B to the K, the only food marshal with concrete scepter. Me and a magic title. Me na me endorse ya jitum. Me na me choose fufu ni de bebre Wo Krom. Nemo me na metimi a chow. Near there baby abenya fufu papedi. What you say? Any PM our Auntie Gladys joint, fufu joint way. You just right behind Malcolm. Eti boy say gas no matter no. Malcolm fufu for me a choba. Where Gladys choba? Your street was friend me PM one there. Very come on 1 or 2. Gas worms. Some na muti Fufuo Wo Krom. Some na boys teach Fufuo Wo Krom. Fufu there a binding gel. What you say? I make binding gel. A national cohesion. What you say? Whether you eat it with cassava, I can't say, but there, and answer a dose of yam or cocoa yam. Whichever way, a fufu. Nemo me fufu bia na fufu. What you say? Oh, the fufu. And so the fufu and kwang ni ye fiem kwang. And no, and you to this say the new man making hey. Ye dia di biom enema o was re. What feeling what? What is inside the kitchen? Let's check it out, y'all. Fantastically so. Rasta for you now, Krom. And now, soft ones who will Krom. And I never tell how. Unia, da, me Philippa, what there. Now, and now I'm crossing why I was here. You're the Enra. Uyo fee. Because I said, Bema, now what Bema. Unia. Me feel you pa. Then I question the higher. Then I'll be paying more Gladys choba.
Oh, Gladys is here. Na me ni we ha na me.
Ahaya na odidi. Apart from Gladys, who ni baby ah. Mami Musa, kwan send na ope fufuo se wudi fufuo how pen send.
Fufuo die. Fufuo kakra. Na nchen. Kusia.
O tire kwasia. Kwasia.
Ya kama.
No aputa gum.
O ma kwa betu wo kama.
Uchi meko wa so uchi. Etu di brabo ewo no.
Okay.
I mean, Musa, when you brabo alternative near then. So brabo ni wa dia na but some say all your guys am here.
Body ni sorry.
Brabo ni wa. Dia na de betwime ko na feeling na ba. Garlic ni di obenya me ko ni obenya. But brabo no na ma dia na some style be oh.
Me nya brabo a.
Banya brabo a me nchire fi na ko wanya brabo akosua to one. Utokosua no wa yiyoku no. What you make on the no put your kunafra. That will be feeling for you. Oh, some see come much. What is it? Why you come up? It's Fufuo no open men can fufu, open bunch of fufu, body of fufu, and now by the fufu, and up a combination of nina.
Oh, fufu dear. Anybody and
anybody and open. Fantastic. Open them ran up and a pussy.
Yeah, no. Obi dia wan ha
me.
Yeah, do kakra na.
Na chew. Be say anu aboso aguso. No ame. Accra stay by plan. Akwani ya bad. Now no. Obeso 7 sika. Enti accompaniment be na ya the wolf for me can compliment and kwan ben san ya ope.
Oh the basa na. Lights now one in kate kakra.
No one in kate.
And kuma da fan.
No light in kate o kan bo me friend say. In kate light.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba Thai jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai jasmine rice. That's a good time.
Hey, Daddy!
You know me, ladies, gentlemen, enjoy Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Mr. Pia, what dies in Kapa the Shinkafa?
Abiba Thai jasmine sawam. Bow, what me tie?
Whether it's a family dinner, a business meeting,
Abiba jasmine Thai rice.
our celebration, Abiba jasmine rice elevates every meal. Abiba jasmine rice, the taste of togetherness.
Some me kuta me sabten come the san kwan no. Na mo ba mo fa kwan ni mo fa na mo the best ana mo gushi mo di tua. I guess you want fair. Ha, why man mo? Why man mo? Ana mo want fair sir. Your first say. Naya, she di need there. Na wo so e. Christy. Naya. Me won say Fufuo no say as a match near Yapon. Scores near 3-1. When they win here. Watch no me ho crowd be no. Na na mo ba dia na mo gi ye. Pork on the 9 no. Precontre na precontre. Anyway. Fantastic. Now mo you obi a mo shada pe Fufuo ho. This ben na mo tidy Fufuo. Wow, we are brutal. Na Fufuo no type ben na ya ope. Menkan body bunch na combination. Per body ya the bunch kan kwa body na nyam mo. Open the din dia na mremre. Normal honey. No, it's a mle. Fantastic. Now, once you send out Fufuo, open it in and zan and I'm remembering. Open the soft, don't you remember? And now, Ben Pan also pay. Goat meat, ocha punchy. A punchy me has son and the show about the 9 temp. Only the show. Show about so which water. A bunch of show will be there. Why will be there? At the brutal. La Ponchi do why will be there. You na pantine. Hey, mom me say there. Next time back catch Mama say Gladys say, but for one, the food marshal say, opesa ka Ponchi show. Senate here. Omo this is be do twemu agusu. Mr. We wan yan review. Fantastic. That's up a go. In quite by compliment ben here motaji some ba. O favorite buyer the soup so no favorite here there. Light soup. A ben coin. By now, the assistant moody. The next time, Babana ya bawo ho na mo waji. Fantastic. Na hina kasa na moti. What's way? I say what you go here. Wallahi meje. Not just say no. Hey, what's a careful afternoon? Men tie. Menu for besa for so fe. Ebe, no one say nti yan show. Pumunam no sunam no waba wanyi bia warrior wa afno one timana warrior nam obeda watenam na anyin itimu olegon te wo mu anama be kama no kakra wa ha okay to a janie ade ne so ayefe ihu kwe swalaba ewonima hey bra masia to a jack na enambe na de dem protein be ni aya me feel brutal kwasi ane de ye ope na waji nkuma kakra na uyi na ntwina me fiwa de biom na oje ye no ana pe nchin kakra unsa ade a nchin wo me na de ebi ya den akwaya bad unia eti nkwan ba na oje ye live soup ni nkate na Fufuo ni mremremre Fufuo ni atwa ne ntafo mienu miansa na nkwan betimi adi ada obokoko baya dia unia French nika say bon appetit dia and you're not bon appetit. What you say? No, what you say merci. Etienne, bon appetit. Fantastic. Ebusia, Yegusua. My man can't say I see all work and no play. Make Jax a dull boy and as a dull girl. I was on a line at you know. Remember no. Hey, I cost you a hey, Chalesha, I can't come in your friend you. Am I radio? When I'm the Banum Quino. Where am I scepter? Food marshal scepter, dear mammy. Many am a feel pa, me send a good year goon, sir. My other and I remember about the salons who will be. Sanet here. When I knew Yamo and him. Only our younger side is saying. Well, cook bedema. Bagbato. Aya, F1. Obian phone. Why did you decide to come to Gladys Chop Bar and not any other chop bar around?
Well, I saw the advert on TikTok. I came to taste it.
It was good. It was good. Right. So today, what protein did you go in for?
So I got tilapia and liver, a bit of liver.
TPL. Tilapia. Tilapia and what?
Liver.
And liver. Liver crane. Ni tree didn't they say? Brabo, I been back and say. Akla. Now you have what I say. See now, Daroma. What's your nice name? Gideon. Gideon, do you reside around this area?
No.
Now, what pushed you to come here to eat from Auntie Gladys joint, fufu joint?
Because of the nice.
Because it's nice. Okay. Now, when I introduce you, man, said you know.
TikTok.
TikTok now who here? Now buy now over fat taste. Now fat taste in that you're saying. Into Taibaha. How many times now do you fufu in a week? 4 times. Now, okay. We are then how do you do it? What's the same one? Maybe I nobody body fufu ni banchana bayre ana menken. Normal. And 2 bar protein ben pan now per number now per tilapia no per fresh and not dry. Na tilapia no you dry one no ni wo twim. Apata. And ocean in Chianum said your friend. Thank you. Until your fresh and your friend say about tilapia. Now then tilapia no your fresh and now person boy then say so you dry and now so ocean in chin. That's the stages. Obi a won ope. Na chin wo so the power. What try with that? Adia in chin wo. Adia be started with air bia no say there. You be a day. Akwa enwo esichire eto enwa ena eche akwa wa bi o ba kunu dia wa to aso so mo hu se be card dia bi so wa smart o I don't guess you want papa ya nya du ha hello talk to me beautiful. It's good because I'm in person who trauma no me ba no come ya ba hospital and say there be sister oh ya dear jame kwana me mano ya medi chale mo beautiful pa. What's your pretty name? Leah. Hey, Leah ni bobe me de na Leah no uyi Leah ni fiwa abrofo de na utwi ka wo ofie di anka be de Majua papa bi ubo si wati Kroba and this year no. So where do you reside from?
Oh, me Fantini.
Yeah. Me wo Fantiful manzi mo want for papa.
We have Nigeria.
Mo want for papa. Okay, hello. Okay, bo. Okay, so my sisters too have Nigerians, have Ghanaian. Yeah. So what I say, into only pro we safe crowd. Let me tell you, at the end, the man will pay fufu, sir. Love fufu. Who introduced you to fufu?
When I went to the
oh, now it's a Fufuo headquarters. You know Fufuo headquarters. Or say Krom. Or took a Cosmo. Yeah, ni fufu ya buada. Santini achim, ya ni fufu ya buada. Ya di wache krani ya di ampesia ebedi. So me so ape pana no. And why say na wano no efe ene so na ya trauma ni timi kom. O size of trauma me uta ne be say on say na me.
Fufu no. SMU no.
O da bi enko wano. Eti udi fufu a normally accompaniment be na otai edidi.
I like tuna.
Okay.
And pork. Maybe goat's meat.
And then what of the soup?
The soup, I mix it.
Okay.
Light soup.
It's you call locally, continental, nationally mixed. And now back kakra, nkate kakra, light. Okay, so light kakra, rare kwan kakra, fresh tilapia kakra. No bono, you know shake no. No I want no fiama. No shouty. Ah, girl, you want fair rat day. Yeah. All right. Mami Musa, nti ubatna he na idea. Fufuo no do any kind idea. You didn't go for any lawyer. Not even water.
No, I'll take it after.
Fantastically. So, but next time I'll be doing so. I'll try a sip or two of water is good. It helps in the digestion, easy digestion of. No, a little. That's why a sip. Don't drink. A sip or two. Now they see you. You go yama after 1 minute, 2 minutes, then you start eating. Try it. You'll love it. We are heavy water here. Oh, ma. Now say like Yanka say, "Osu fi fantiana." Who fi him? Yeah. Leka. Maraku leka. F1. Me man phone ya maraka se o. Ba na ba anu di fufuo no se wadi kakra. Hu sa me ba na ya first na me pa one. Jo, Mami Musa. Eti when I introduce you joint to a trail.
The voice be baby. And omo e dey, omo koti omo smile. The baba no di gram of and I need to na ma for.
And omo trail. Now buy now be try here. Now test the way no so hu ni say. Abodam. Jack, etinu obi e show sesia so diaspora so Ghana have bia. No person deep fufuo efie fufuo fili a. Dia na be ka kire no.
From Monday to Friday,
fantastic. Now, our customer service is who is saying. Sir. Now, Peno, no akwaji. What for lawyer back once, Mama? Charlie Stage, big ups to you. We are heavy. Abundant. What is here? It's a make us say. Fufuo Wo Krom no aka say ahana bosso. Fufuo Wo Krom ahana bosso. That's right. I don't hear go so Fufuo Wo Krom. Yeah, yours truly was for one. The food masha me na make sure baby a bosso. And now you want hatcho rabbit, send am big kan no. You want a Auntie Gladys fufu joint. You go so you can take it behind the scenes kakra. Ni en share one more. I want inside the kitchen. Anyone more. I'm finding you more 7 and what you say. I also blasters were a national team asset. We're a national team asset. Matter this one, no. National team asset. Fantastic. You hear me? Some of me are saying why I see PG. Now matter this one, so I'm going to do another twasso. Montuaso, mammy. I'm sorry for your good sour. You better come on. Me was just a bit too much. Me, I said, I'm on the USA. I was for. To see, I know. I've been sandwiched by these beautiful damsels. I'm one for brutal. What did you say? Kukua. This sounds well. And I wear. I can't. Wouldn't so come apart. Mami Musa, me who some mushe. Matter this logo boha. Now when I say Chinese and a bomb way.
And then homecoming.
Homecoming.
Anniversary.
Church Anna.
Yes, Beulah Methodist Church.
Okay. Beulah Methodist Church. What were you from?
Westland. Before the Brainy Bandit School.
Oh, I'm side hono. Fantastic. Into my point, sorry. The anniversary spirit na na modi abahano. Okay. Na mission is saying one kasa. My nyame de na wie. Tumo de kasa de abrem oyam. Sanete me fili. Mami mra bejna me do for pa bejna. Kukwa. Me hu se fufuo no asa ofi oyo obi ape fufuo pa wo. Sa open na mra na na den. Hey, open ho ntu. E ho ne ho. Matias here. Na me ye no me hu se me say sa sin no. Na one of the powerful sins and kaminya ya. Come on for anybody jumpa. Me hu se ura na fa yo na wa utwi no ne ade ade a.
Na me chi me ko.
Sa wo hu. Ti dia me ko ni kakado ni hwentani ade ade a. Unya brabo afamu. Next time when you brabo am into secret no atokosua ba ko ana mienu no ma hwan no why you yoke ne pe na the yoke na twim aya obenya ne say na de breboa wo no some so me guy pa nti ene fufuo mo bedi body fufuo banchia na say menka na say the combination of the two banchini body say na my tiri mu nyina mo pe na den na ho ne ho ene say mu nyina mo pe ho ne ho eno na onu say your friend no botanical your friend ho ntu kasa ho ntu aha after 4 years gusu say baby you do no you do operation room say fufuo de u be di fufuo a na opani fufuo ma di kan ka che say say ko baby a wa obetimi atwi what I say is a tradition of fufuo say utwi na niam ni nyina ko kekadro kakra pepper meko jene ni garlic no ne e wanya brebo anu awo no ayi kosua unua me feeling na oye no ya na so di na ngasa de say
survivor yeah hasi de me ba se de bia
survivor
me no hasi bia every Sunday bia hire me am base o be bia de o pe bia be nye bo hasi fufu de friend dia agro
survivor na o be bia wa na uchi umako no
twuma de na ho na be twuma de
o ya guy
me bu de so ko bia so wa de o ya wa de
sanity
na ko no bia fe chi de am be du bo
sanity aha internet fufu no e ko ne say
o e ko no ma me ji fufu ma de tilapia ma de pork bi na ma de aponchi bi na ma de Nama mdoku suna boso Sunday.
Na say na dia wo koni zoo. Enam bia bi wo. Prako tire no ba jibi.
Bia. Enyi ba kran fi.
My yada me feel it.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Hey, Daddy.
Abiba jasmine rice, the taste of togetherness.
I'm just for say baby amadu no. Some is me betwi. On say my catch us a Gladys joint there. Ye twi upe fie fufu dia. Utwi if you come baby ye twi. What you say now the breboa one and one impurities you know. Edu me so miminim twi enti na minim di no. The food marshal one yanko. Yan fro bi so mo nya kwa. Ya fe ni ebe mo obi a chacha no wa kire. Ye du abi a twi amako. Unu ma duane no a imba ntimi sisiu ata say what for one the food marshal ya mi twi amapi a pizza na no awo ne kwan no unya brebo na dia box no wanya brebo na awo ne kosua yoku no etiwa ata say where the friend AFA afa unya ne baby a udi fufu a no didi o choba e bosso na o pe choba e bosso a na Gladys fufu joints hacho rabbits welcome to you manya ne say no me brabo ni honti no we secret na ni esa dia na chicken ti no na osuano why you yoku no na dia tum dan to range ne well, there is no brabo. There is kosuya yoke. We are necessary blender no. Uchi na dada no. Uchi na dada no. You say I set it. You know. You go inside the wagon. Ya kwa ji fufu na asset yanko wa Gladys way monye mi fufu ni ntumachi ya kama sa akụkọ wa mi akụkọ akụkọ nam wa salmon no wa salmon na fresh ana fresh ni wana brown why ana preko nine no wa me preko na mi no why no ape light soup fufu ni ketua bi be say why me peka se na nam ni nyezu why I'm on family me to watch. No one some man, what I say. Aha. Aha. Why are the Bibiada? I'm remember sound about from Chinese seminar. I feel I do me so the food marshal. Men so me baba te aquam. They say Oma wo hore ama me. Yen hwe no what I say akokọ kakra pre-contra kakra and a salmon kakra. Aha. Na ansa na no se bibia ewo ma ote. Afi baba yi akode ni nyina agu ho. Na sa fight we me nko amintimi enko fight we amewini. Onipa bia maka cho say wo bedidi nso a very crucial say wo bedi huni. Je say wotimi ehoro nsa. And I say wo bedidi a ye use perfume soap, ye use scentless soap. And ye dey wo ro yensa. It's not a perfume soap na be je aduane nim. Aha, and the scentless soap. The more did you are now the perfume soap how rosa. Aha. It's a mrenasu more fat. Robert Jimmy Samba good practice is only pebia who did water is life. A sip or two of water it helps with digestion of food. To any pebia who did just a little sip of water and two bubble. I'm doing digestion very easy. Cheers. Marianne Sano, I need to go for my appetizer. Fufu there, for any kind. Obi had any kind. As I'm a friend and anum. Now I won't neighbor. No more Kenya me, no more you come to. This is what I call appetizer. Oh, I need me too short to them Fenyago. Me too short to there. We am then cry me too short. Me tell no be abeka. Onya me somehow too short appetizer or them selewa enko boko ukoi koyi kwam to na nanom ba onananum omko fancy pam referee what you say a friend cheers. And our French in culture say bon appetit no I just so merci me manunyu etimbedidi bia me make sure say ma protect me ho Ghana nkwan na mom yemfa de ngu okọ Chinese ne ayi restaurant abonsi ama tissue kakra ne towels ne napkin ne gu ho ti kwabram dem ra choba for no we na say mo de mai ko ye fia ya coffee aha manunyu tibedi agum ayi ni say we ndi me di say baby for God bless the farmer, the cooker and the wire. No wire, the friend wire. Assalamu alaikum. So me boy he be the country here. And I'm pebrebo me nya brebo. Na me wo no kosua yoku no. Na efutum France na fa. DBY. Edia ben. Give them to them. For one payment. Unya nanka aye me won. What Philisa na midi no unya nanka aye me. Untimi nyame. Ade so asum no untimi nso a. Wait, aye boya. The friend kwe. Prince Charles. Domido. Kemoshi. Wadi toto bi asan de kwache. Enamba ko penidim bebre. Enamba ko nidim bebre. Oba Auntie Gladys. Ufu jointa. Ubenya ni mrebu ha. Why are you?
Atuma kometiwo.
Nipa de odidi arenam. Unya ska. Unya ska na di bia sie. Na di bia nyamedwuma. Na aka no. Ni amos da mi pom se saraka. Na aka no di atwa num sperele owo nshada. Ya ba ya se otuna bewu na onya ska no wani wanum. Wo fa se na odi watam. Mo afu adimi o. Onya ska. Eni na num pa. Ya ni ma we nyina wanhye. Nti we tompa bo ana ma hye ne da no a. Ara se. Everyone go. Nti se na de na ye no. Eze mi nya time na mdidi. Koma hema no kakra. Nti no same time next week. Fufuo Wo Krom, meet me on the other side. Fufuo Wo Krom, name of the food marshal, Wafa One, aka I to the B to the K. Me, and I met you, baby, a boss. See you next week, same time. Or them, Selewa, epi, pick up. Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.